Do you agree if we say that imprisonment is the most difficult punishment in a person's life? According to Kashi Khandam, there is a stotra which helps even an imprisoned to face the challenges with much more confidence when chanted. Kala Bhairavashtakam is such a stotra which improves the inner strength of an individual. Who is Kala Bhairava? Is he a protector of Kashi or Varanasi? Here's an interesting story. How many of you know that Bhagwan Shiva has 5 heads? They represent 5 aspects or tasks. Sadyojata, power of creation, controlling Bhagwan Sri Brahma. He is related to Prithvi Mandala or earth. Vamadeva, power of preservation, controlling Bhagwan Sri Vishnu. He is related to the Jalamandala or water. Aghora, power of dissolution, controlling Sri Rudra. He is related to the Agni Mandala or fire. Tatpurusha, power of obscuration, controlling Sri Maheshwara. He is related to the Vayu Mandala or air. Ishana, power of revealment, controlling Sri Sadashiva. He is related to the Akasha Mandala or ether. Even Sri Brahma had 5 heads, 4 of them representing Vedas and the 5th one representing his ego. Just like we humans have ego, arrogance, even the Devas or even Brahma had it. Once Brahma thought that he had 5 heads just like Shiva and got arrogant. He thought when both are equal, why is he not the greatest? Then the war started between them. As Bhagwan Shiva did not agree with Brahma, the 4 heads of Brahma who represent the Vedas were also against Brahma. But the problem was with the 5th head, which was ego, that did not accept that Shiva is the greatest. Out of Shiva's anger, an ansh of him got created from his 3rd eye, who is Kala Bhairava, a fierce form of Shiva. This Ugramurti went over to Brahma and simply plucked out his 5th head with his hands. As this happened, the rest of the 4 heads got scared and approached Parvati Devi. She hid each of them under her hands and protected them from Bhairava. But here enters the concept of Brahmahatya, which is considered an unpardonable sin. Now, Bhairava had to atone or do prayaschitta to get rid of this sin. Kala Bhairava is an ansh of Shiva. Will Mahadev, Ishvara himself, ever commit sins or dosha? Never. To introduce the effect and difficulties of Brahmahatya sin to the world, he has taken up the task of prayaschitta. To get relieved from the sin, Bhairava used the skull as a bowl and started wandering across the world for bhiksha or alms. He reached Vaikuntha, where he received the best hospitality from Bhagwan Sri Vishnu and Lakshmi Devi. They offered him a special amrita called Manoratha, but still there was no relief from the sin. Then Bhagwan Shiva himself advised Bhairava to visit Varanasi and take a dip in holy Ganga. As soon as Bhairava took a dip in Ganga, the skull fell from his hand and got washed away along with the sin. That's the significance or greatness of river Ganga and Varanasi. Then Shiva performed Abhishekam to Bhairava and assigned him to protect Kashi or Varanasi. Hence, Kala Bhairava is known as guardian of Kashi, who also helps people to get rid of their sins and gain inner confidence. देवराजसेव्यमानपावनाङ्घ्रिपङ्कजं व्यालयज्ञसूत्रमिन्दुशेखरं कृपाकरं नारदादियोगिवृन्दवन्दितं दिगम्बरं काशिकापुराधिनाथकालभैरवं भजे। भानुकोटिभास्वरं भवाब्धितारकं परं नीलकण्ठमीप्सितार्थदायकं त्रिलोचनं कालकालमम्बुजाक्षमक्षशूलमक्षरं काशिकापुराधिनाथकालभैरवं भजे। शूलटङ्कपाशदण्डपाणिमादिकारणं श्यामकायमादिदेवमक्षरं निरामयं भीमविक्रमं प्रभुं विचित्रताण्डवप्रियं काशिकापुराधिनाथ कालभैरवं भजे। भुक्तिमुक्तिदायकं प्रशस्तचारुविग्रहं भक्तवत्सलं स्थिरं समस्तलोकविग्रहं निक्वणन्मनोज्ञहेमकिङ्किनीलसत्कटिं काशिकापुराधिनाथ कालभैरवं भजे। धर्मसेतुपालकं त्वधर्ममार्गनाशकं कर्मपाशमोचकं सुशर्मदायकं विभुं स्वर्णवर्णकेशपाशशोभिताङ्गमण्डलं काशिकापुराधिनाथ कालभैरवं भजे। रत्नपादुकाप्रभाभिरामपादयुग्मकं नित्यमद्वितीयमिष्टदैवतं निरञ्जनं मृत्युदर्पनाशनं करालदंष्ट्रभूषणं काशिकापुराधिनाथ कालभैरवं भजे। अट्टहासभिन्नपद्मजाण्डकोशसन्ततिं दृष्टिपातनष्टपापजालमुग्रशासनम् अष्टसिद्धिदायकं कपालमालिकाधरं काशिकापुराधिनाथ कालभैरवं भजे। भूतसङ्घनायकं विशालकीर्तिदायकं काशीवासिलोकपुण्यपापशोधकं विभुं नीतिमार्गकोविदं पुरातनं जगत्पतिं काशिकापुराधिनाथ कालभैरवं भजे। कालभैरवाष्टकं पठन्ति ये मनोहरं ज्ञानमुक्तिसाधकं विचित्रपुण्यवर्धनं शोकमोहदैन्यलोभकोपतापनाशनं ते प्रयान्ति कालभैरवाङ्घ्रिसन्निधिं ध्रुवं काशिकापुराधिनाथ कालभैरवं भजे। काशिकापुराधिनाथ कालभैरवं भजे। If you liked our video, do like, share and subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends. Thank you for listening.